In this video, I want to talk about how you can add money to your Wise card. Now, your Wise card will spend the money that you have on your Wise account, so you need to add money to the Wise account to get money on your Wise card. So you want to select some currencies. You can add some more currencies if you want to have more, but I live in Denmark, so I have the Danish one. So what you want to do is you want to press on the add money right here, or you can just click on the currency. And once you're in here, you want to select how much you want to add. So like I said, you can do this in different currencies. So if you type in 100 right here, you'll see that it will be paid in here, and you'll see that I have a few fees. So then what you just want to do is press continue, and you'll get to the verification. So in here, you just need to verify that it's actually you. So this can be a QR code or email. And after this, you need to have your account verified. So as you can see here, I need to take photos of ID and my face, but you only need to do this once. But once you've done this and everything is completed, you should now see that you'll have the money on your account. Now after this, your card should be linked, or you can go into your cards and link it. And once it's linked to your Wise account, it will just spend the money that you just added here. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.